my soul's redeemer. You lift me up, you hold me firm when I've had enough. When darkness rises to cloud my way, your holy light turns night to day. Hallelujah, Lord who heals my heart. Your endless love will never depart. I open wide my soul to thee, my soul's redeemer, live in me. When I am broken, weary, worn, you give me strength to rise once more. Your precious word, the spring of life, restores my peace, removes my strife. Hallelujah, Lord who heals my heart. Your endless love will never depart. I open wide my soul to thee, my soul's redeemer, live in me. In you alone my soul finds rest. My God, my refuge, ever blessed. I breathe your grace, I breathe